the middle of nowhere, Nevada. A little bit of red rock in the background. We're gonna shoot some bangers. Let's go.
You see, the hustle that keeps the lights on isn't the same one that grows the empire. You have to have that craving for more. So stop listening to the chatter and focus on reaching for greatness. And no matter what, keep making bangers. I am Josh Russell.
What is going on? I am making another amazing tutorial video for you. More like a overview, a can it really handle it type video. I'm out here just outside of Las Vegas at the Red Rock Overlook, and I have Kayla here, my amazing studio mate slash assistant slash friend, and I have the Westcott Fj800 out here, and I want to really put it to the test and see about overpowering the sun. So that's what I want to do in this video. It's going to be kind of a behind the scenes slash you're seeing it as it happens type video, but if this is your first time here on my channel, I make videos based around photography and content creation to help people like you grow. So if you do have a second and you want to help me out, please leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching from. Also maybe hitting those buttons and all of that stuff too. So let's get into it. I have a single Fj800 with the regular reflector that comes with it on it. I also have a Joel Grimes beauty dish here with me too. But we're going to start out bare bulb flashing. Like I said, we're out here in the desert. I'm gonna try to move around as much as I can. I'm sorry if I jump in and out of frame, but I want you to be able to really see what's going on. So I have that. What I'm doing is I have the beautiful man-made sun in the background. Coming up over this mountain, we have Kayla here. And what I have is I have the Fj800 over here. Like I said, no modifier, just the reflector that comes with it. I am shooting at f1.8. I want some bokeh. I want that mountain to really kind of pop in the background. I'm on my Sony a7R IV with a 35mm 1.4 lens at 1.8 ISO 100 and 1/8000 for my shutter speed. I want to be able to capture at least a little bit of that sun while also capturing the light from Kayla. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to turn my light off right now. I'm going to get my exposure down, get all that stuff set up so we can take the photo. So right now, when I take this, you're only going to be able to see pretty much just the sun. So let me get in my spot here. I don't really need to worry about my light being in the shot too much because I can take that out later. I'm going to get here. We're going to take this shot. So there you're seeing, I'm getting that mountain in the background, a little bit of the sun. I'm not truly overpowering the sun with this shot. If I wanted to overpower the sun, I would have to drop it down to about f4. But the downside of that is now I can't see the mountains or anything. So I have to make a decision. Do I want to have Kayla and the mountains in, or do I want to have Kayla and the sun in? Okay, so now what's going on is we have this setup. We are ready to go, and what I want to do with this is I almost want to make it look like it's turning into nighttime. So I'm going to expose for the sun and then also light up Kayla here. So I'm going to drop it all the way down to f5 ISO 100 shutter speed of 1/8000. I'm going to turn my light on full power. That way we can get this going and really get a good shot. So let's go ahead. Full power. It's going to look like it's nighttime out, but then on top of that, we'll have that light lighting her up. So we'll go ahead, get in that spot, Kayla. I'm going to have you just look over down yonder. And that's what we're talking about right there. Let's go ahead. Let's fix it just a little bit. We'll go f4. So now we're getting the mountain in, we're getting the sun in, and we're getting Kayla in there. All three pretty well exposed. Now the mountain is a little dark, so if I didn't want to shoot like that, another option would be to photograph this with the mountain exposed and Kayla exposed and the sun kind of overpowered. So let's go ahead, or I should say the sun kind of blasting. All I did was change my aperture here. One more shot. We'll have to turn that light down a little bit. Let's go down with that light. We'll go to 7. Hit that pose and get that shot. So there's another option we have. Kayla, go ahead and take your left foot and kind of step forward with it. There we go. Yep, now you're going to look down that way. Like just out into the distance. Keep your chin up just a little bit. There we go. So I'm going to slide over here just a little bit. We'll take another angle. Keep your shoulders, arms, everything where it is, except for your head. Bring your head to me. Actually, go towards my light. So now you're getting a whole nother feel from that photo. So now what we're doing is we're using that sun as kind of a flare, as well as a kicker light or rim light, and you're getting just bangers with it. I'm at 7.0. I still have room to go with that. Let me switch over to the 85mm lens because I want to take a little bit more of portrait style. I'm using the 35 right now. I'm gonna go to the 85. Okay, so we're back here. Now I have an 85mm. This is gonna be more of a portrait. It just looks fantastic. Take a step to your right. You're gonna come back out with that foot again. There we go. My light is just off center because I had her turn. So we need to turn that light too. I think we might be getting a pretty good sunset. We might be out here a little longer than I thought. Oh, look back. Yeah. That looks so good. Wow. Bring your head back to me now. Yeah. Just scoot back a little bit further. I still like this 85mm lens, so I'm going to work with it as much as I can. I have more than enough desert to walk around in. Turn your shoulder that way. Yep. I don't know yet. You're gonna take that hand that has your ring on it, a little bit more down your hip. There we go. That one's gonna go up then. No, like, I don't wanna go out with it. No, kind of just like here. Yeah. Wow, that looks so cool. Coming in tight. I wanna see if I can get a really cool reflection shot in those sunglasses. I'm in the same pose. Let's take this hand and go up into the hair.
How high? Here? Here?
Yep. Head, shoulders this way, everything. There we go. So bring your head back to me. Bring your elbow out just a little. Yep. Let's take that hand down. And then what I'm going to have you do is bring that shoulder back again. Stop pulling that shoulder towards me. Head down that way. Yep. Just got to find my angle there. That's the shot. Stay in that pose. Almost fell down. Whoops, missed my shot. Wow, bring your head back to me just a little. You can look at me. So we are overpowering the sun right here. You're seeing it on the camera. Go ahead and look at my light then. Chin up, chin out, put up. There we go. Bring your head this way just a little. Head back to me just a little. There we go. You gotta do something with your hands. It's got pockets. One of them is gonna go in a pocket. Yeah, like. Yep. This one's going. Yep. That one's coming out just thumb. Breaking all my rules that I never do, but shoulders that way again. Yep.
I'm gonna look at you really light.
I want you to look down right now at that pretty bush in front of you. It's a little dry. Kind of like my sense of humor. Let me switch to the 35 on that one. I like a wider angle. This is gonna look awesome. This is gonna be such a chill vibe of a video. It's just like, you know, yeah. Nice and peaceful. Can watch it on a, huh? Can watch it on a Saturday afternoon. Yes, yes, yes. I'm gonna move this light a little bit though. Sun is over there, so I need this light over here, and you guys are gonna watch me probably drop my light because I gotta find a rock that it'll balance on.
Oh.
Look at that.
First try.
First freaking try. Light pointed at you. Does that need to turn?
A little bit more.
A little bit more.
Oh, too far. Right there.
We got it.
Got her. Oh, crap. Do you want me to take my ponytail off?
Probably.
Here, catch. Not funny. You want to catch it?
Yeah.
See?
Nope.
Yeah.
I tried. You saw it. I tried. You're gonna forget it anyway, so.
Probably. I think it's other people I take those out.
Not yet. I'm gonna sit down here where the rattlesnakes are. Wow. Okay. Nope. You're gonna look kind of here. Wow. Are you guys seeing this? I'm gonna turn that light off just so you can see the difference here. Look at that. That's crazy. Crazy talk. Let's turn that light back on. Let's get our shot here. Watching that third, letting the cactus in back there. Putting Kayla on the left third in the rule of thirds. Wow. So you're seeing that blue sky, you're seeing the sun, you're seeing the mountains, you're seeing the cactuses. Just looks incredible. I just wish she had different shoes on. So let's go ahead and make it even a little darker here. We'll go there. Same pose, you're still looking out. Wow. Let's put it right in the middle. Look at that. Kayla, I can only have so many photos of you in on the walls of our studio. I'm just saying.
You can just be me in all the different places.
Huh?
You can just be me in all the different places.
Yeah, we're just gonna travel and you're just gonna... The Kayla wall. This Fj800 is literally blowing my mind right now, how well it's working. I am at 8 stops up, 1/8,000, f2.8, ISO 100, just getting absolute certified freaking bangers. All right, ready to go. Another location, well, same location, just a different frame. What I want to do, sit on a bunch of really pointy rocks. So go this way just a little. Get back in that same pose that you were in before. When I was just talking over here. Let me see what you were doing.
Yep.
Yep, and looking straight across. So basically I wanted you on the other rule of third. So you, yep, keep looking over you even over further. So you're seeing that Fj800 is 12 feet away, 13, 14 feet away, and it's still just doing amazing things. Wow, I think I can even go even further down with it. Watching where Kayla is on the rule of thirds, making sure she's on it. Getting that sun coming through. Now, the mountains are underexposed, but I think I should be able to bring those up when I do the edit in this. I should be able to separate those, bring them up just a little. That way we got just an absolute banger of a photo. Look at that. Wow.
Look at that.
Just look at it. Wow. As I like to say, wabba-weeba.
Yeah, I hear you say it all the time.
Wabba-weeba. I do.
Do you?
Yep. just so good. They're just so good. See, what happens is when you get this good, what happens is you have a hard time deciding which banger goes on the portfolio. That's really what happens. Joking. So let's go just a little smirk, not like a full-on smile. Like, you know, like I said something in the studio that like you're kind of mad at me about, but also, yeah, like you're like this asshole, but at the same time he's kind of right. So, which is what happens most of the time, guys. For all of you that is watching.
It is not.
Wow. Coming a little closer. Go ahead, same pose. Drop that arm. Bring the other one. Oh, no. No, leave him right where they are. Leave him right where they are. Okay, so Nevada desert, killed. Amazing. So cool. Super, super happy that this girl right here comes with me to all my shows, my conferences, my workshops, shares a studio with me, is an amazing friend. Thank you so much, Kayla. Check her out. She's a photographer too. She'll help you out. She takes the boudoir stuff. So I'm going to get out of here because it's dropped like 20 degrees in the last 10 minutes. So it's getting cold. I'm going to go. I'm going to edit these. I'm going to edit a video. I'm going to talk to you guys later. I'm going to have the rest of my time here in Vegas as a little bit of me time, a little bit of fun time, a little bit of hanging out and chilling time. So remember, as always, if you have a question or a comment, leave them in the little doobly-doo down below. I will make sure that I can answer it for you. Otherwise, maybe check this video right here out because me and YouTube both think that it could help you out. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Deuces.